Hi, let's unbox this brand new Samsung Galaxy S25. So firstly, about the packaging. You will immediately notice that this year it has changed its color. It become more gray as opposite to black in the previous year. And on the back part of the box you can find this information about the phone, of course, about the right power adapter, which is not included in the box by the way. And right here you'll see amount of storage space and color of your phone. In my case it is mint color. And also IMEI numbers as well as serial number. And now let's open this box. For that I'm gonna peel off those stickers, which is really satisfying process. And now let's carefully remove the top lid of the box. And here it is, really pretty Samsung S25. So let's just remove it. And next thing we can do is we can remove this screen protector. So let's do it. My favorite part of the unboxing. Now to actually turn off the phone, we need to press and hold this power button on the right side till we could see Samsung logo appears on the screen. So let's just hold the button and wait. And here it is. Now let's leave it here so it will turn off and turn on. And now let's take this box and try to check its content. So let me take this bottom part, and right here as usual we'll find this part with user manuals. Let's just take everything out of here. So we got here this quick start guide, user manual, as well as this USB-C cable, and also this SIM ejector pin for opening SIM card slots. And this is the screen of our Samsung S25. So you need to set up this phone first. Just tap this start button and simply complete the setup process. So after we successfully set up this phone, we can actually review it. So Samsung Galaxy S25 offers a 6.2-inch Dynamic AMOLED screen at 120 Hz, delivering vivid images and smooth navigation. Everything runs smoothly and really fast. As you can see, in Display tab we can find Screen Mode, so you can manually set vivid colors or natural, which will look like that. And of course you can find here many other settings which you can adjust. For example, motion smoothness, where you can adjust your screen's refresh rate. So set adaptive, which is 120 Hz. Also, the new device design. So the new device is slightly shorter and lighter than its predecessor S24, making it easier to use with just one hand. This is a subtle change, but noticeable with prolonged use. And now let's discuss camera. So you can explore the wonders of your phone's camera. The Galaxy S25 has an improved main camera for low light and captures 8K and Ultra HD 60 FPS videos. Here you can switch between photo and video mode. Note the AI integration to enhance photos and videos. Also here you can tap on 4 dots and find settings, or you can switch to 50 camera. And let me show you the result. So as you can see, the photo quality is really impressive. We can see everything on this picture, and the zoom is also quite impressive. And yeah, that's all about Samsung Galaxy S25. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.